Welcome back, everyone, for the new home tour. Stay tuned in. Well, hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you could join me here today. I know it's been a minute, but yes, I have moved, and these are just some previous clips from the previous house. As I said in one of the last clips, that you never know when I will be moving again, and it might be sooner than you think. And yes, I did move into a new house, so there will be lots of new videos on the way. I won't be moving again anytime soon, so we will enjoy lots of new content to come. No matter where you are, you should take pride in it and do whatever it is that you can to thank God for gracing you with whatever space it is that you are being graced with. And I am so thankful for the house that I was in and for the time that I was in it, because it was definitely needed for such a time as it was. That grows with us and shifts with us and changes over time, and yet what always remains the same, I think we all can agree that home is more than just the four walls and a roof that we live in. It definitely is a feeling, and it's a place where we feel rooted and grounded and safe. But like us, home can definitely evolve. Furniture changes, room changes, new coats of paint, our family grows, and members in our family move on. But the essence of home as we know it, it just always remains the same. Home is home no matter how many transitions it goes through, and as well that we go through. When I did move into this new house is just a lot of the memories that I took from my previous house, the one that I did so many videos in. And I sat down on the couch one day and I was just looking at some photos of my children, and I started to think about all of those things and what that really meant to me being in that home. And I literally started to cry when I thought about all of those things, because there were so many memories that we shared in that home together, from the beginning of looking for that home, having that home built, and then moving in with my girls. And even before that, because my first daughter had just passed away about a year before, and I remember when we would go out looking at model homes, and I would often take her with us, me and my girls, when we went out to look at homes, and we would carry her around, and we would all be going from room to room, and they would be saying, "This is my room, and this is my room, and this is my room." And so I started to think about all of those different memories and just the different things that we carried over into that home. And then when my second daughter passed away from cancer, she had a bone marrow transplant, and there were complications afterwards. And when she passed away, and I just thought about all of those memories just came flooding back, of carrying her up and down the stairs when she was too weak to walk, and just so many memories. And just different things that were happy ones as well that we created while in that home. I was sitting there on the sofa here, and again, I thought about all of those beautiful and wonderful memories. And I sat, and at first I thought, I don't have any memories in this house. What am I bringing with me? I don't have their voices that I remember coming down the hallway, or them laughing in the bedrooms and playing around, or us just dancing together, listening to music and just talking, or sitting around there in their corner, I'm in my corner, and we're reading books, and I thought about those things, and I started to cry. But then it was as if God reminded me, this is your new home. You bring those memories, they're in your heart, they're in your spirit, and they'll always go with you. And then I was thinking, I do have some memories. I thought about a few days ago when some girlfriends came over and they wanted to turn on a couple of videos, and they decided they wanted to learn how to line dance. And so we were sitting and laughing, and then my daughter and my son, they were here, they came over, and it was giggles and laughs and everything going on in the house. So in that moment, the sadness turned back into joy, because God was letting me know that everything that we need and that we've experienced is in our heart, it's in our spirit, and we carry it with us. I just want everyone out there to know that through life's ups and downs and everything in between, that the core of who we are and the core of it all remains the same. We realize that home is just not about fitting in, and neither are we. And we come to an understanding of ourselves, and we appreciate the different layers and the different things that, again, that we've gone through and experienced. But again, just like our homes change, our lives change as well. So I just want everyone to just take a moment and pause and think about, no matter what, through each transition, no matter what, that we don't lose the essence in our foundation of who we are and what our lives are and what we've experienced. We hold on to that with everything that's within us. No matter what, you are strong, you are unshakable. Embrace every change, and don't forget to honor truly the essence of who you are on the inside and what you carry with you. And celebrate the changes, but also celebrate the parts of you that have stayed strong. Because after all, we're all a bit like our homes, always evolving, always changing, but always rooted in something that is timeless. So stay tuned in, more to come. This has been Shenell, and I'll see you all for the next one.